make a mortal man and put him in control. Watch him become a god. Watch people's heads roll. The symphony of destruction, acting like a robot. Its metal brain corrodes. You try to take us balls before the